Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand about the process of germination in seed. In previous 2-3 lectures I have already explained about the structural components of monocot and dicot seeds. Now it's time to understand the process of germination, basically that occurs inside the seed for the new growth of the plant. So what is this germination process? This is a process during which the seed reserve that is present in the seed are broken down and the embryo start to grow. Embryo basic consists of two parts. Two parts two parts are basically the radicle and the plumule. So they will start to grow in the process of germination. Now this germination process, during this germination process the seed absorbs some water, and this germination is irreversible. That means if once begun the seed cannot be brought back to their dormant state. That means if the seed start to germinate, then it will not come back into its original state. So seed which do not germinate, or we can say the seed after getting all the conditions necessary for the germination, this type of seeds are called the dormant seeds. That means these seeds are basically they do not germinate, and the phenomenon is termed as the dormancy. So dormant seeds are those which do not germinate after getting all the conditions necessary for the germination of seed. So this type of seed are called dormant seed, and the phenomenon is termed as the dormancy. So now the topic starts with the conditions necessary for the germination. So what are the conditions that requires during the process of germination? The first one is the water. We all humans and animals require water. Our body is completely made up of 70% of water. So seed also need water for their survival. So what does this water do? They basically helps in the ruptures of the seed coat by swelling the seed, and it allows the elongated radicle to come out during the process of germination. So these waters get the seed coat to be soft, and then it allows the elongated radicle to come out from the seed during the process of germination. So the main function of the water is to helps in the biochemical reaction that occurs within the seeds, all the photosynthesis, or we can say the respiration process. Now the second point, that is the suitable temperature for the proper germination of the seed. The seed requires some suitable temperatures between 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. So moderately warm temperatures is required for the germination of the most of the seed, or if very low or very high temperature is provided, then it may destroy the tissue of the seeds. So here the germination will rather stop or get eliminated. Now the third point, that is the condition, that is the oxygen. This oxygen is also the our basic importance in our life as a human being. So in this germination of seed, oxygen is basically necessary for providing the energy. Which type of energy and how this energy comes from? This energy comes from the process of respiration that occurs inside the seed. So and oxygen is required for the energy, and this energy comes from the respiration process, and required for what? This energy required for the rapid cell division inside the seed and the cell growth. If the oxygen will not get inside the seed, then the cell division will stop and the cell growth will also stop. So this seed will not germinate in future. So this type of seed will called as a dormant seed. So this was about the germination process and the conditions required for the germination. In the next part of the video I will explain about the types of germination, in how many ways or in how many types the germination process occurs in the seed. Till then, thanks for watching.